everyone, welcome to my third lift tour at Hougang. Be filming every lift here. So yeah, and I'm gonna be filming every block that's in the area. So yeah, here comes the elevator. It's got to 12. Oh, it's inside stickers. Very nice. Yeah. Over here, view lift has a tall ceiling. Okay, so yeah, really special because of these round buttons. Okay, here I am at 12. Story 12. Okay, let's go back down to 1. Going down. No, these buttons are a bit hard to press. Tall ceiling. Here we are at here is 4. Okay, I'm gonna go to block 37. Okay, never mind y'all, I go to block 370 instead. This is a 1998 Fujitech, let's go to 8. Oh nice, also has interior stickers. Come on, why does it have to be a weird sound so fast? Okay, Mitsubishi. Oh yeah, let's turn on the flashlight. Wait, it has no stickers of the company. So let's leave down to 1. Now let's try and call lift B. Okay, time to skip. Here's my elevator. Let's go back down to 1. Going down. Yeah, okay, this has the decal stickers. Yeah, this lift also has sounds. Okay, am I saying it right or maybe wrong? Lift is a bit dark though. Story 1. Okay, let's go to block 23 next. Here I am at block 23. Lift C is the only Otis left. Y'all should film this block also since lift B is under replacement. Skip. Here's the elevator. Yeah, y'all should film this block before every lift that gets replaced. Oh my gosh. Go to 11. You can see the Otis. Yeah, the Otis here is going to be replaced also. So y'all should film this lift fast. Okay, never mind. Then I know why they want to replace the lift. Because this lift been making a lot of sound, so that's why. No announcements. Let's go back down to 1. Otis. Later I'll show y'all the upgraded lift. Okay, here we are at 1. Oh my god. gosh. Bro, this lift is not in a good condition. Okay. Let's go to block 25. That's my last one. Yeah, I'm not lying, y'all. This upgraded lift. Okay, here is block 25. I'm gonna write the lift here also. Here is block 25. There are 3 lifts. 2 of them are Fujitech, 1 of them are IFE. So the 13. Bro, what happened to this, bro? Yo, what? Yeah, I don't know what they want to do with the 2000 Fujitech Exodine. Look at the flooring, it's different. Okay. Okay, here we are at 13. Gonna write the IFE also. Never mind. Okay, let's just wait. Here comes the ice cream. So 240. Most likely this IFE is either a replacement or an additional installation. Going up. Okay, here we are at 14. Story 14. Let's go down to 3. Going down. Okay, IFE is normal but leveling is not good. Here we are at 3. Story 3. Story 3. Time to write the Fujitech. Let's try and call lift A. We'll skip. Okay, here is lift A. Oh my gosh, even this lift. Let's go to 4. Has announcement. Going up. Bro, what happened to the Fujitechs here, man? Story 4. Scroll down. Going down. It's the end of my lift tour. I have fun.